I'm your robotics educator, and today we'll be going over Ready, Set, Code, the Unplugged version. The items that come in your crate are 1, an instruction manual, and 2, the Cipher handbook. Before we begin, we're going to need a couple of items from home. A pen or a pencil, a paper clip, and a pair of scissors. When you first open the pamphlet, there's a lot of information about why and how ciphers were created. Cryptography is scrambling digital info into an unreadable form, and this originally started in about 500 BC with substitution ciphers and has evolved vastly since then. We even used the Enigma cipher to help crack codes during World War II, so they can become very helpful for protecting private information or breaking into private information. You'll then get to a sheet that says discussion at the top, and this will be teaching us how to create a substitution cipher. A substitution cipher sounds really tricky, but in reality, it's choosing a key letter and then choosing to move all of your current letters to that letter. So let's say I wanted to create a cipher that was 4 letters off of the previous. So instead of writing A, I would write E, because that's 4 away from that letter. And you would just shift every letter of the alphabet over 4. We're going to skip over the discussion questions till after we created the cipher. So now we're going to go to the page that is the Cipher wheel template. And it's going to tell you how to make the cipher, and then the next page is the cipher that you're going to be cutting out. I'm going to do this along with you guys in this video. So the first step is we're going to be cutting out these wheels. Now that you've cut out your pieces, we're going to use this big wheel and we're going to write the A through Z on the outer circle. Now that we've finished writing the alphabet, we're now going to take our pen and we're going to write 1 through 26 on that inner circle in here. Now that we've finished our large circle, we can set this aside. We're going to pick up one of our small circles and write A through Z on the little spaces out here. We also made 2 extra sets, so then you can make a cipher later on. I'm not going to make a second cipher right now, so I'm going to put these away for right now. Now that this is completed, we're going to take our paper clip and we're going to put it through these little holes that we see here so that they're stacked up on each other like this. So this is what it should look like when you're done. For me, I took the inner part of the paper clip and I put it through the little holes, so then you can only see like one part. But really you can do this anyway as long as you like it. You could even put a toothpick through it if you liked. And just as long as it can still rotate, you've done it correctly. Now we're going to take our cipher and we're going to use it to complete this class exercise page that's in the pamphlet. It's really awesome to do this because we can test out our cipher and see how it works, and you can also create encryptions for yourself. Now that you're finished, you can go out into the world and encrypt anything you'd like. Have fun!